Science Lesson 16. Thanks for joining us for our science lesson today. Everyone say hello. We'll do our meditation to start. What are we going to think about? Heart center. Two fingers. Find the heart center. Good job. You know just what to do. Close your eyes. Feel for that boom boom in your heart center. When you feel that boom boom, boom boom in your heart center, move your right hand into your left. Close your eyes. Let's end our meditation with 3 breaths together. 1, 2, and 3. Slowly start to wiggle your toes. Slowly start to wiggle your fingers. Slowly open your eyes. And slowly stand up. Your arms up high in the sky. Go up on your toes. Make your arms into a T. And touch your toes. Touch your toes. That's right. Come up halfway and let your monkey arms hang for a little bit. Okay, stand up nice and tall. If you want to scratch around like a monkey, go ahead and scratch around like a monkey. If you want to walk around like a monkey a little bit, go ahead and walk around like a monkey a little bit. Okay, stand up nice and tall. Stand up nice and tall and stretch your arms up over your head one more time. Make them into a T and touch your toes. Make your back flat. Let your monkey arms swing around a little bit. Okay. Very nice. You can pretend like you're a monkey for 5 seconds.
Yeah.
Be a monkey for 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, hello. 1. Okay, no more monkeys. Stand up nice and tall. No more monkeys. No more monkeys. Okay. Turn to a neighbor and give them a high five. Give them another high five. Shake hands with your neighbor. Give them a high five while you shake hands with your neighbor. Give them a high five down low while you shake hands with your neighbor. Good job. Okay. Give me 3 little jumps. 3 jumps. Give me 3 spins. Very nice. Give me 3 claps. Good job. Okay, now sit down. In this lesson, we'll be talking about the life cycles of 3 different animals: the chicken, butterfly, and the frog. So first thing we're going to talk about are the things that animals need to live. What is one thing that animals need to live? What's one thing animals need to live? Do they need clothes to live?
No.
Do they need a house to live?
Yeah.
Animals need a house?
No.
Animals don't need a house. Some animals live in a house, but not all animals live in a house. What's one thing animals need to live?
Eat. Food.
Food is one thing animals need to live. F-O-O-D. Thank you. Okay, what's another thing that animals need to live? Water. Yeah, they need to drink water. How do I spell water? What do I start with? W. A. T. E. R. Water. Animals need food. They need water. What's another thing animals need? Not all animals need the sun, because some animals live underwater, right? We've got water. Yeah, they need air to breathe. Good job. A-I-R. Okay. What do animals need? What's one thing? Food. Let me hear food. What's another thing animals need? Water. Let me hear water. What's another thing animals need? Air. Good job. Some animals do like to be in the sun, but not all animals. Like a fish underwater is not in the sun, or a worm that lives underground is not in the sun. Yeah, they don't really see the sun. They're still alive. Okay. Can animals make their own food? Or do they have to look around and find their food? Which one? Do they make their food or do they look and find their food? Animals make their own food? No. Animals have to look around and find their food. Yeah, they gotta find their food. So can animals move or do animals stay still? What do you think? Move or stay still? Move. Raise your hand if you think animals stay still. Raise your hand if you think animals move. You're right. Animals move. Good job. Animals can move around. Are animals quiet all the time?
No.
Are they loud?
Yeah.
Yeah, sometimes they're loud. They make noise, right? Raise your hand if you think animals are quiet. Raise your hand if you think animals make noise. Okay, everybody stand up. Stand up. Okay, let's think about some animal noises. What does a wolf sound like? Very nice. What does a chicken sound like? Very nice. What does a dog sound like? Very nice. What does a cow sound like? Good job. What does a tiger sound like? Very nice. What does a monkey sound like? Good job. And what does a cat sound like? Good job. Very nice. All right, all my animals, take a seat. Good. Okay. We're going to take a look at our PowerPoint to see how butterflies grow. Yes. Okay, we're going to talk about our butterflies. When butterflies grow, when they get bigger, do they always look like butterflies? First, yeah, like a little worm. Yeah, you're right. You're right. Let's take a look and see how that looks on our PowerPoint. You are right. Let's take a look. So first, butterflies, they start off as little worms, right? And they make some tiny eggs. Are those eggs big eggs or small eggs? They're small eggs. They're little eggs.
One egg.
Then, let's take a look at this word. Hatch. 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 Good. Hatch is when the egg breaks open. So hatch is when the egg breaks open. What other animal do you know that hatches out of an egg?
Chicken.
A chicken also hatches out of an egg. A duck also hatches. A snake also hatches out of an egg.
This circle and
We're gonna see about that. Yeah, we're gonna see. And yeah, we're gonna take a look. We're gonna take a look. Okay, after they hatch, let me hear hatch. Hatch. Good job. Then they become a tiny little worm. And for a butterfly, it has a special name called a caterpillar. 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 It's kind of a funny word, but it's okay. You don't have to learn that word. It's like a worm, okay? Then the caterpillar, what's this word? Grows. Yeah, the caterpillar grows. It gets a little bit bigger. And then it makes its cocoon. That's when it makes the cocoon. And it's kind of like a little house for the caterpillar to sleep in. So he goes to sleep in that little house. Yeah. So it's the little cocoon where he's sleeping. And then, okay, what is the word for when it breaks open? Hatch. Hatch. Let me hear hatch. Hatch. Very nice. What do you think is going to happen after it hatches? What do you think? Yeah, so he's going to hatch out. Yeah, do you see that butterfly climbing out? He's going to hatch open. And then a butterfly. Is that butterfly pretty?
Yeah.
What color is that butterfly?
Orange.
It's orange and, yeah, like butterfly. Butterfly.
Same.
Yeah, same as our letter.
Same.
Okay.
Same.
So remember, our butterfly looks a little bit different when it grows. Makes a little cocoon, a little house to sleep in. Then it hatches open and it becomes a butterfly. Very nice. Let's have everybody stand up. Stand up. Use your finger to show me how you're a little worm moving along, a little caterpillar. Okay. Use your finger as a little worm to show me how you build a little house to sleep in. A cocoon. And then you go to sleep in that cocoon. And then you get ready to hatch out of that cocoon. Break out of your cocoon. And now, what are you? What did you become? Are you still a worm? Are you still a worm when you come out? What are you? You're a butterfly. Fly like a butterfly. Fly like a butterfly. Very nice. Very nice butterflies. Okay, let's do it one more time. Okay. Here we go. One more time. Pretend you are a worm with your finger. Okay, now build a cocoon. Build a house so that you can go to sleep in that house. Okay, you're gonna get ready to hatch. Get ready to hatch. Hatch! What are you now? You're a butterfly. Fly like a butterfly. Very nice. Okay, take a seat. Very nice. We're going to do a quick worksheet about part of the butterfly's life cycle. So we're just going to draw two pictures. We're going to draw one picture of the cocoon, which is like the little house that the butterfly makes so he can go to sleep. And then we're going to draw what happens and how our butterfly looks after it hatches. So this side is going to be the pretty butterfly. So take about 5 minutes or 10 minutes to draw a cocoon and a butterfly. Okay? So we are going to draw the cocoon. Draw the cocoon. Draw the cocoon, the little house where the butterfly goes to sleep. Draw that cocoon. Yep. Okay, draw your cocoon. It looks just like this, where the butterfly goes to sleep. Draw the cocoon. It's on a tree?
Yeah.
Cool. You can draw it on the branch of a tree. You can draw it on a leaf. Draw your cocoon where the butterfly goes to sleep. Okay, very nice. When you finish drawing the cocoon, what do you think you're going to draw next? What do you think you're going to draw next? Then you're going to draw a butterfly. Draw the butterfly after it hatches from its cocoon. And draw the butterfly. And you can color them in too. Yeah, on that side, a nice butterfly. Yep. Butterfly on this side. And then you're going to draw a butterfly on the other side. Okay. You can make it any color you want. It doesn't have to be an orange butterfly. There's lots of different colors. Very nice. You can color it in. Very nice. We're going to share some of our beautiful butterfly and cocoon pictures. Who did this one? It's cool. Very nice. Who made this one? Cool. What color is your butterfly? What color is your butterfly? What color? What color? Yellow. Who made this one? What color is your butterfly? Pink. Who made this one? What color is your butterfly? Pink. Who made this one? What color is your butterfly? Orange. Who made this one? What color is your butterfly? Ooh, it's a rainbow. Who made this one? Who made this one? What color is your butterfly? Yellow. Who made this one? What color is your butterfly? What color? Yellow. Yellow and red. Cool. Very nice. Now we're going to look at our PowerPoint again and see how frogs grow. Let's see how frogs grow. Do you think frogs look the same when they grow?
No.
Let's find out. Let's find out.
No same.
It's not the same? Okay. We'll see. Let's see. So first, frogs, they start off as an egg.
No, egg.
As an egg. Does that egg look the same as a chicken or a duck egg? No, it looks different. Does it look the same as a butterfly egg?
No.
No, it looks different, right? Yeah. But we still, yeah, it looks like a little balloon. But we still call them eggs. We still call them eggs.
Same bubble.
And they do look like bubbles, yeah. And we use the same word when that egg breaks open. Do you remember what that word is? When the egg breaks open? It does look like a fish. Who remembers what it is called when the egg breaks open? Hatch. Good job. We still say hatch. 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 Let me hear hatch. Hatch. Good job. Even though it doesn't look like a chicken or a duck egg, we still say hatch when that egg breaks open. Okay. What is this on the little frog? What are these? It's like a fish, or it's like something that a cat has, or something that a dog has. Yeah, a little tail. So they have little tails now. Do they look like frogs yet?
Yeah.
Does this look like a frog yet?
No.
Not yet. Not yet. Okay. So these swim like tiny little fish. Yeah, they swim like a fish. We call it a tadpole. Tadpole. Good job. It's not important that you know that word, but just know that it looks like a little fish. That it looks like a little fish. Okay. He's starting to look more like a frog, isn't he? And after the tadpole, what do you think it turns into? A frog. Yeah. It grows and turns into a frog. Okay. Let's have all our friends stand up. We're going to be frogs. First thing, how does a frog start? As an egg. Starts as an egg. Starts as an egg. And then, when the egg breaks open, what is that word called? Hatch. Hatch. Break out of your egg. Hatch. Now you're a tadpole. Now you're a tadpole. Swimming around. Okay. Now you've gotten bigger. You've grown. What are you now? You're a frog. Hop around like a frog. Good job. You're a small frog. Okay, let's do it again. First, how do we start? Like a small egg. Get into a small egg. Be a small little egg. Okay. What's the word where when we open the egg? Hatch. Hatch. Okay, hatch out of your egg. Break out of your egg. Now you're a tadpole. You can swim around. Now you're a tadpole. Okay, now you've gotten bigger. You've grown. What are you? A frog. Hop around like a frog. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, my little frogs, hop back to your seats. Take a seat. Okay, we've got a quick worksheet about our frogs. So we're going to do this one together. You can follow along with us for about 5 or 10 minutes. How many pictures do we have?
3.
3 pictures. So we have 3 pictures. And we have some words in that box. How many words do we have in that box? How many words are in that box? In the box?
Yeah, 4.
Count them up.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 words. Okay, we've got 5 words in that box. Do we have the same number of pictures as we do of words?
No.
No. So we're not going to use all of those words. Some of those words don't have anything to do with frogs. They're not talking about frogs at all. So some of the words we have, first word is frog.
Frog.
Frog, help me spell frog.
F-R-O-G.
G, good job. Another word we have in that box in the middle is turtle.
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 Does, okay, let's spell it first. T.
T-U-R-T-L-E.
Very nice. Does a turtle have anything to do with frogs?
No.
Not really. No. Okay, another word we have in that box is tadpole. Can you help me spell tadpole? Tadpole. How do I start that?
T-O-L-E.
Very nice. Does a tadpole have something to do with frogs?
Yeah.
It does. Okay. The next word we have in that box is kitten. Can you help me spell kitten? E-N. Okay. What's a kitten? What's a kitten? It's a little baby cat. Does the little baby cat have anything to do with frogs? No, not really. No kittens. Kittens are very different than frogs. And our last word we have, E-double-G-S spells eggs. Eggs. That might have something to do with frogs. Okay, so take about 5 minutes to go through your worksheet, and you are going to fill in 3 words next to the 3 pictures that show the order of the frog's growth cycle. So 2 of those words we're not going to use, and 3 of those words you should put in the right order to show how the frog grows. A frog?
Yeah. No.
No. Is that a frog?
No.
No. This is our frog, right? Tadpole's the second one. So remember, let's take a look at our PowerPoint one more time. Remember this picture? They're in, what are they in? They're in an egg. Yeah, they're in some eggs. Very nice. Yep, you can color. They're in some, take a look. Is that a kitten? It's a kitten? That's a baby cat? No. Is that a turtle? No. So what, let's see, it's not a kitten. Yeah, there you go. It's not. Yep, so you can write eggs right here. Yeah, just like that. What? Kitten?
Yeah.
Is a kitten, any of these pictures a kitten? A baby cat? No. Okay, so do eggs first.
What?
Mm-hmm.
This.
Yeah, you got it, you got it. Okay. Yeah, very nice. Very nice. So after the eggs break open and they hatch, something else comes out that looks kind of like a fish. Mm-hmm. Okay, look over here. Does that guy look the same as that?
Yeah.
Yeah. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, everybody put your papers over there. Put your papers over there. We've got to move on. At our last animal is a chicken. You're right. So how does a chicken start?
Baby.
Before it's a baby. Yeah, before it's a baby chicken, it's in an egg. It's in an egg. Then, do you remember the word? Yeah, what's the word for when the egg breaks? Hatch. 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 Good job. Then we have a little baby chicken. We call it a chick. It's a chick. Then what do you think happens to that chicken so it becomes a big chicken? It grows. You're right. The chicken grows. And then it is a big chicken. It's a big chicken. So first it's an egg. The egg hatches. It's a little chick. That little chick grows into a big chicken. So just like in our pictures, we've got our eggs to begin. The little chick hatches. It's a little baby. And then it grows into a big chicken. So for our worksheet, we are going to write in next to each picture the stage of that chicken. So what is the first thing a chicken starts with? An egg. So next to our egg, we're going to put a number 1. Then we're going to think about what happens for number 2, for number 3, and for number 4. Then you can color in your chicken. And your eggs and everything. So take about 5 minutes to do this worksheet, and we'll meet back for a review together. Does it start as a grown chicken? Good job, you can color. Eat. I know, so hurry up, color. Very nice. Very nice. Good job. You don't have to color if you don't want to. It's okay. So you don't have to color all of them. Maybe just choose one picture that you colored.
No, me.
Okay. 10 more seconds. If you're finished, help me count from 10. 10, 9, 8, 7. Beautiful. 6, 5, 4, 2, 1. Okay, very nice. Okay, let's have everybody stand up. We're gonna grow like chickens. How do chickens start? How do chickens start? In a small egg. Everybody become an egg. I see you. Okay, what happens next? How do the chickens come out of the egg? What's the word for when the egg breaks open? What's the word when the egg breaks open? Hatch. Let me hear hatch. Hatch. Okay, hatch out of your egg. Now you're a baby chick. And grow. Now you're a big chicken. Very nice. Let's do it one more time. One more time. Start off as an egg. Start off as an egg. You're an egg. Hatch out of your egg. Now you're a baby chicken. Now you're gonna grow a little bit more. And now you're a big chicken. You're a big chicken. Very nice, friends. Very nice. Great job. Okay, how does a frog, a butterfly, and a chicken, how do they start?
Chicken.
Yeah, all three start in an egg. And snakes and fish? Okay. What's the word for when the egg breaks open? Hatch. 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 Very good. After the egg hatches open and there's a little baby, what happens to the baby? Does it stay the same size?
No.
What does it do? It grows. It grows. Very nice. Okay, and fish come out of eggs too. Okay, thanks for joining us for our science lesson. Everyone say goodbye.
Bye.